In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox two-step verification not sending email. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So from here, as you can see, I'm on the two-step verification page. This is needed before you can log into your Roblox account. In your case, there are other two-step verification methods. In my case, I'm using my email, but maybe for your case, you're using the Authenticator app. If you can't use the Authenticator app and doesn't send codes, you can try another verification method and use the email. But again, if there is no email, you can't receive any email that sends the 6-digit codes. What you can do is to go tap this use another verification method. And now from here, you can choose this backup code. So as you know, your backup code is the security codes that Roblox gave you the moment you created your account and the moment you set up your two-step verification. So you can use the backup code and go enter it in this page. But so that's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.